Find or read reviews that people are talking about OMBAR 3-channel dashcam, built-in Wi-Fi GPS, eMMC 64GB storage, 4K front dashcam. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose OMBAR 3-channel dashcam, built-in Wi-Fi GPS, eMMC 64GB storage, 4K front dashcam. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 3-channel dashcam. The OMBAR 3-channel dashcam can record videos in front 1080p, 170 degrees wide angle, plus cabin 1080p, 150 degrees wide angle, plus rear 1080p, 150 degrees wide angle, resolution. Clearly capturing license plates and road signs. Front dashcam can be used alone and you can switch to single front dash camera in 4K, 2K or 1080p. Dual dashcam with 2K plus 1080p, front plus cabin/rear. WDR and IR Super Night Vision. The OMBAR DC4213 dashcam adopts the Super Night Vision technology, NT96565 processor plus GC4653 sensor, with f1.8 aperture and WDR. Helps to get clearer footage and images from the recording in low light condition. 6 hidden IR LED lights around the lens of the cabin cam will help you capture video in IR night vision details when in the dark cabin during night driving. Built-in Wi-Fi, GPS and app control. The dashcam for cars has built-in Wi-Fi for convenient connection. Free app Cacam, allowing you to easily control the dashcam, preview real-time, playback, download, or share videos. Internal GPS loggers accurately record your driving location, speed, and direction of travel can be tracked via PC. GPS player download. Please contact us by your Amazon order. 24 hours parking mode. There are 3 modes for different needs. Time-lapse parking mode and impact detection parking mode and motion detection parking mode, providing you with multi-scene requirement and a safe driving experience. Dashcam hardwire kit, not included, is needed for this function. Built-in eMMC 64GB storage. No need a micro SD card. 64GB eMMC, embedded multimedia card, is built in the dashcam for storage. You can find the memory capacity information with USB cable provided. Compare with traditional SD card, eMMC storage will have more reading frequency and reading speed, up to 100 megabit per second, more stable and safer. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.